Well, I guess we're not bullish enough, guys. This is insane. Or is it truly? Because fun fact, in the film quote unquote gold, guys, there's a line that mentions Bitcoin is currently trading at 1.25 million United States dollars. Wait a minute. Now the only reason why I'm bringing this up, guys, because before collapses occur, what happens to commodities? Just check back in the past, guys, right? With the stock market, what happened in the .com era? Things get out of control, right? That's the issue here. That's not really the issue, guys. That's a good thing. Why? Because it means everything will go ballistically upwards, right? And guess what? With Bitcoin, there's a shock factor, right? Because of the limited supply it has, guys, right? 21 million and whatnot. Plus the halving that's coming up soon as well, guys. From 900 Bitcoin mined every day, produced every day, to 450. Now it's cut in half. Okay, so I'm not saying $1.25 million is imminent, guys, or anything, but I'm saying things honestly could get out of hand. But and here's another reason why I'm saying what I'm going to say in just a second, and why this could honestly come into fruition.
Bitcoin is currently trading at 1.25 million US dollars.
Right, 1.25. It's currently trading at basically $1 million United States dollars, guys. Right, over $1 million. Another reason why this could come into fruition is because movies are predictive programming, right? They subconsciously tell the viewers, the audience, that, oh, this thing is going to happen, right? And we agree to that, guys. So, by the way, if Bitcoin heads towards guys, I don't know what the world has come into if Bitcoin heads towards $1 million, but yeah, no matter which coin you're invested into, you're probably just going to get wealthy, right? Now, let's continue.
Leading charity crypto coin Avatar Investors distributed another $1 billion in aid to the Northern Territory port.
There we go, guys, right? Now, gold market cap, I'm pretty sure is at 14.5 trillion because I just checked it out. But if we check out Bitcoin's market cap at 1.25 million, guys, that is about, we're going to round it to 20 million circulating supply, right, for Bitcoin. It's about 25 trillion, right? And people laugh at when we say 589 for XRP circulating supply, 54 billion. It comes out to 32 trillion, guys. I mean, even 250, right? That's 13 trillion. But let's think about it for a second. XRP surpassed Bitcoin's market cap in the not the previous, but the 2017-2018 run, right? For a split second. So 500, guys, right? Again, is it possible? It sure is. People are going to laugh at that, but are they laughing at Bitcoin trading above $1 million? Right? Just saying, guys. So it's really interesting, isn't it? Weird. Using an XRP circulating supply of 60 billion and a $70 token price, XRP market cap would be $4.2 trillion. That's nothing, because Brad Garlinghouse stated the entire cryptocurrency market cap will be what, $20 trillion in the coming years, right? I don't know the actual precise timing of it, guys, but Brad Garlinghouse, I'm pretty sure, believes 20 trillion, right? And XRP is only going to take what, 4 trillion of that 20 trillion pie, guys, right? XRP took 30% of the whole market cap back in 2017-2018 as well, right? 30% of everything, guys. That's ridiculous, isn't it? So people don't believe in a high price XRP, but it is doable, right? It literally is, just from the math perspective, guys. This isn't financial advice, but all I'm saying is things can get out of hand before collapse occur, right? So I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Maybe utility has to come live, because the XRP fussers say the banks are not going to use XRP. The largest bank in Canada states XRP right here, right? As in Exhibit 68. In cloud we trust, guys, right? Cross-border transfer through Ripple using the XRP ledger. Why? Because it's cheaper to use Ripple and XRP. So not only do we have math backing up XRP at a high price, utility backing up XRP at a high price, but even the fundamentals, guys, right? The technical analysis, or the technicals, guys, right here, which is this chart. XRP monthly candle on track to close above our 6-year trend line, guys. Good chance we see anywhere from $70 to $110 by end of year. Look at that, right? So is it out of the realm of possibility? No, right? But can we really get up there, guys? Who knows, right? It all depends, I guess, because we're living in a crazy world, guys. There's so many other variables that could come into play, but we need to see Bitcoin keep climbing, right? Oh, today, the weekly close, guys, right? The weekly, the 2 weekly, all sorts of guys, all sorts of stuff. And it seems like April is going to be a blessing, right? An amazing month, guys. On the daily, we see hidden bullish divergences on Bitcoin, I'm pretty sure, and XRP, if I'm not mistaken, guys. I have to double check, but pump we come, perhaps. Brad Garlinghouse House literally says, or stated, LFG 2024 is going to be big, guys, right? It has to be this year. It truly does. Why? Why? Because this is coming from their mouths. The digital asset landscape has been on an evolutionary trajectory, and 2024 is poised to be a pivotal year that has the potential to reshape the financial industry, guys, right? Again, 2024, they're not talking about 2025. They're literally saying 2024 to reshape the financial industry. Institutional adoption of cryptocurrency infrastructure is set to become business as usual in 2024. In 2024. Well, they're bringing everyone, they're luring everyone into cryptocurrencies, guys, which is a good thing, because United States presidential candidate RFK Jr. says cryptocurrency is the best hedge against inflation. Wow, right? This is good, guys, because this means retail will be flooding in crypto into the crypto sector soon, right? And when they do, up we go tremendously, guys. I'm thinking in the next few months, right, we're going to go parabolic. We already have been, but it's going to get steeper and steeper and steeper, guys, right? Until then the top occurs, Black Swan enters the view, and we go back up to 2025 or 226, guys, right? So things are going to get exciting here. The era of institutional adoption is coming, or is upon us. Is it clear yet, guys? Exactly. Look at this. People don't understand, guys. Things need to get out of hand before collapses, recessions, and depressions occur, right? Every time something, one of those events occurs, guys, they pump asset prices up. Why? Because if they don't, they're going to die. That's the thing, guys, right? So it's pretty simple and pretty easy to see where we're heading towards. It's up first, right? How high? I don't know. But, guys, digital assets are the first genuinely new asset class in the last 150 years. Again, you don't see this opportunity very often at all, right? We're talking about centuries here. It inherits the most transformative potential across finance, tech, and social after the invention of the internet, and institutions are waking up to that fact. We expect 2024 to shift up gears and institutional adoption of digital assets, and here's why, right? Within the last weeks, BlackRock, Barclays used JP Morgan's blockchain infrastructure and whatnot, guys, but they all have to join the cryptosphere soon, right, with their ETFs. Some will come before the Black Swan enters the view, such as BlackRock, and others will come after it, and it will fuel prices even higher before the collapse. Justin, Matt, and look what they say right here. We haven't seen anything yet, guys. This is why I believe things will go higher and higher and higher and higher, because they're suggesting only 20% have entered the ETF game, right? Or the space, guys. There's another 80% to go. Wow, insane stuff, guys, right?
Yes, but what they don't see is these wirehouses that are set up in this massive system of distribution that I think Leon was alluding to. So can you give us a little more color there?
Yeah, sure. And then I definitely have some thoughts on whether it's sustainable. If you think about the U.S. retail wealth market, there's sort of two groups. There's RIAs, which you would call IFAs here, which are independent financial advisors. And those are the ones that are buying the ETFs now outside of retail because they can make their own decision. And then there are major national account platforms like Morgan Stanley, and Merrill Lynch, and Wells Fargo, and UBS. And they typically, when an ETF launch, can't go out and sell it to their clients. Those advisors are beholden to the platform approving one or more of these ETFs through their own due diligence process. So if you think of like the SEC approving an ETF is getting over one hump, there is another hump, or actually a series of smaller passageways that the ETFs have to go through before most of the wealth in the US market can buy it. And we're probably a few weeks away from the first of those major wirehouses approving it, maybe a week away.
A few weeks away, huh? Are things about to go parabolic here?
And within a few months, they'll all be able to approve it. So you should think of the flows we're seeing into these ETFs as like the spigot turned on 20%, and there's another 80% to go, and that process is going to take place for a while. And just
Yup, so imagine all that money, guys, flowing into cryptos, right? Is that going to be insane? I'm pretty sure it will be, guys. We already seen what BlackRock have done. Pumped prices from what? Just from the news, guys, Bitcoin price went from 30K to like, what, 74K? Imagine the other 80%, guys, 300K Bitcoin incoming. Seems probable, doesn't it?
On the sustainability, I mean, there's been a lot of flows. It's $50 billion or something total AUM in these. But global wealth management's a $100 trillion market. And most of that is short Bitcoin at this point because they have no exposure. So I think these could be hundreds of billions of dollars in a couple years, and I think it'll take multiple years before they peak.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. Come on. Again, they're going to lure everyone, guys. This is insane. Why? They're not lying, guys, right? They're telling the truth because Justin, Japan's 1.5 trillion pension fund explores diversifying into Bitcoin. Who? The trillions, right? The trillions. We got pension funds, guys, wirehouses, right? I don't know. I think he talked about what, 100 trillion or something. What was it, guys? I don't know, but so much money will be is already on the sidelines waiting to enter, right? Japan's own government pension investment fund, which is the world's largest pension fund with over $1.5 trillion assets under management, is now exploring new diverse investments option, including Bitcoin, guys. We're not only talking about the United States. No, Japan, Asia, Europe, right? Africa, the Middle East, guys, Antarctica, everyone, guys. The penguins will be lured to buy Bitcoin or to buy your favorite S coin and meme coin before the collapse occurs. Before the strings are cut. It's just the beginning. Now, Benicio Vice. Even Canada, because just in Canada, base payments company Mogo to buy up $5 million in Bitcoin and their Bitcoin ETFs. But here's the thing. You may say $5 million is nothing. It is something. Why? Because once they buy a little bit, guys, guess what? Next time they're going to buy more. Then more. Then more and more and more and more. Because it's addicting, right? Especially if prices are going higher. Come on, guys. It's so clear, so simple. People don't see what's upcoming, but we do, and we will get ahead of the curve, right? Breaking: Argentina is dumping dollars and buying Bitcoin. Beautiful. We're not at the top yet because Bitcoin is a worldwide problem. These people are still sitting, and JP Morgan says Bitcoin is overbought. No, it isn't, guys. That means we go higher, right? Why? Because Bitcoin bulls successfully defended the weekly close, guys. That's so beautiful. That's very bullish indeed, right? As well as we're just repeating history. We're battling the previous all-time high, and soon it's go time, right? And whenever we have that blow off top, guys, it's going to take literally within a month, right? Prices will move 2, 3, 4x, okay? So prepare for that moment, guys, right? Bitcoin's peak is coming sooner than most people are ready for. It's guys, if we called it from November. I have the video, and if it happens, I'm not going to be bragging too much, but I'll at least give us credit, right? Because we're back then, we weren't even talking about technical analysis, and plus Bitcoin, right? So, shorter term for Bitcoin, guys, we need to create higher lows, right? Kill these lower highs back here, these previous highs, guys. We need to go above what 69, 70K, right, and hold up there. It seems as because right now, look at that, right? So we need to close above 69K, guys, and hold support there in this upcoming week. I'm pretty sure we can, right? There's a lot of liquidity up at 75K, and they're probably going to take it, right? Again, that parabola is forming, guys, towards 80K and 100K. Hopefully it occurs in April. I'm really hoping for it, guys. Shorter term, we may see some consolidation though, right? If we do, don't fret, guys. And hopefully, look at that, April is coming. So I hope, guys, things are about to get exciting, right? Let's see what happens next. Now, Benicio Vice. But anyways, that's your face, amazing. See ya.